How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. For today's project I have this Mercedes ML350 for paint correction, ceramic coating and an interior detail. So as I wash this car, sit back, relax and watch this transformation happen, and in between I will share some of my experience with this detail and discuss some paint correction process. So guys, enjoy the show. In my details, I wash the door jambs and the trunk jambs as I'm washing the car because that makes it easier, and when the customer opens the door they can see that the vehicle was well taken care of. A little bit about this car: this is a 2015 Mercedes and has about 100,000 plus miles on it, but still this car drives amazing and looks so good. So as I'm washing this Mercedes, I can say Germans know how to make luxury look stunning. What do you guys think about this car? And by the way, if you are new to the channel and like this video, you can subscribe to the channel and make sure to hit that like button. I think YouTube algorithm really likes that, so guys, help me out here. Now all the wash process is done with paint decontamination. If you don't know what that means, that is before doing any paint correction, the surface has to be completely clean and smooth. So I chemically decontaminated the paint with Maguire's iron remover that removes any fallout that gets stuck from the brake dust or anything that gets stuck to the paint. It completely removes that and it dissolves that. And one indication that it is working, it turns purple color. So after chemical decontamination, I do mechanical decontamination, that is using a clay mitt. This makes sure that all the contaminants it's completely removed, anything left behind from the iron remover. This is to make sure that there is no dirt or anything stuck to the paint, which can actually make paint correction process even harder. After protecting all the plastics, trims and the seals on the doors with some tape, this is the condition of the paint that is completely hammered from car washes over the year that this car has been going to. Swirl marks and deep scratches are everywhere, so let's tackle it. So here's a question of the day. Do you think expensive or name products yield better results? I'm talking about pads, polishes here. So I wanted to try out some Rupes pads. I've heard a lot about it and I paired it with my 3D one-step paint correction compound. Actually, this is a really good compound that I've been using. So I have looked up some videos about how to use the pad, and in their video they mentioned to apply the polish and use the polisher for 15 to 30 seconds on the paint at speed 2 so that you can prime the pad. And this is a very important step in polishing process, and they also mentioned in the initial use it will sling some polish around, which is okay, but as per the results I was not very impressed with the Rupes pads. I reverted back to my microfiber pad, which is from Maguire's, and actually it gave much better results, and I heard that microfiber pads really work good on black paint. Some of the panels had some deep scratches caused by all the brushes that go around the car wash, and I wanted the paint to have an even finish all around. But if I had to really remove all those deep scratches on the lower parts of the vehicle, I had to wet sand it and I was on a time crunch. So I gave the foam pads another try because I did not want to discredit them that fast. The Rupes pad and the Chemical Guys yellow pad, that is a heavy cutting pad, but I had to go back to my Maguire's microfiber pads, which really worked amazing, and they resulted in 75 to 85% reduction in all the scratches, and this car looked amazing after I was done with it. So summarizing, one question that I had: yes, quality products will yield better results when used correctly. I like to test all the pads and the polishing compounds with the least aggressive method and then build up. But did I use the Rupes pad wrong? No, I used it correctly, but it was not the right fit for this detail. So Rupes pads probably is best fit for their Rupes polishes only, but for this detail the Maguire's pulled it through really well. So guys, if you're looking for any of these tools or any of these pads, polishes, or even the ceramic coating, it's in the description down below. You can check out those links, and if you use those links the channel does get some help. So guys, click on this link and check out these products. They are really amazing. After using an IPA solution to remove all the polishing oils that are left behind, now it's time to ceramic coat the car. Now I'm using Adams graphene coating. This is actually a really good quality coating that I've been using for a long time. The bottle says it gives you about 7 years. I say to my customers, hey, let's give it 5 years and let's see how the coating is performing. So application is also very simple. To use this product, every time make sure you shake the bottle really well, and every time you're applying to the applicator, shake the bottle really well, because graphene particles tend to settle at the bottom of the glass. Now when applying to the panel, always apply in cross hatch process, that is going left and right and up and down. This way you cover the whole panel or the section of the car that you are doing, and depending on the temperature, give it about 30 seconds to 1 minute and you will see the product flashing. That is like different colors it will give, and then it tells you that it's ready to get wiped off. Make sure when you're buffing it up or wiping the product off to have an even coating, so that means you don't have any high spots. So for me, I have a lot of LED lights, so I make sure I don't have any high spots and the coating is absolutely balanced. So the day before, I had actually vacuumed the car, cleaned it on the inside, and whenever a car comes to me for ceramic coating, I do a little mini interior detail so it doesn't look like I did not do the complete job. I like to make sure that the customer feels that I took care of their car really well, so I do a little mini interior detail on this car as well. I cleaned the leather, I just vacuumed it really well, the front and all the way to the back. And guys, this car turned out really amazing. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe as well. And guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to watch the end result. They are amazing.